So after 5 years of living without it, I've finally built myself a drill press table. It's about as simple as it gets. I've got a plywood base mounted to the cast iron one that came with the drill press, and then for an insert I use a sliding dovetail to lock this in. I rarely use a fence on the drill press, but now that I've got this, I'll use it a bit more. And that's it. Easy peasy. So this is how I use my drill press. A piece of scrap clamped as the fence, and then if I need something as a backing, I just use an old block. I mean, it does work, but only to an extent. I wanted to improve this tool without putting in a huge amount of effort. There are some killer drill press tables out there, but after working with this one with no bells and whistles for the past 5 years, I know that I don't need all those extra features. All I'm aiming for is a flat base, an easily clamped fence, and a simple replaceable insert. Scrap plywood is my weapon of choice here. First I cut up the base. I didn't measure anything, I just cut out a rectangle that was big enough to cover the existing table with a little bit of overhang. Then I angled the blade to 45 and cut up a few strips. These are going to make the second layer of the base. On the base I also notched out a semicircle for the pole to fit into, and here you can see how it all goes together. The two sides get fixed permanently, while the middle insert uses a sliding dovetail fit to slip in and be held securely. I did glue up the two side panels, but to be honest I probably could have just attached them with screws. I imagine that I'm going to end up screwing into this over time, fixing blocks and fences as required. It probably would have been smarter to not glue them, so that I could remove and replace them over time. Not the end of the world though. As I didn't really measure anything here, I'm just trimming the base square again on the table saw. My fence is pretty much as simple as it can be. It's a length of straight hardwood and then a length of ply. I glue this together into an L shape, and then I'll use clamps to position it on the table whenever I need it. I've left a small overhang on the hardwood, which you can just barely see here. That allows for dust and chips when I press my workpiece up against the fence. After I glued it up though, I could see that it was just off being square, so to fix that I just got one of the planes and ran over that a few times, and it ended up perfectly square. I thought about a bunch of different ways to attach the table to the machine and ended up choosing basically the easiest one. Cast iron is dead simple to drill through, so I made 4 holes and just screwed the whole thing together from underneath.